Hey, so most people think that productivity is about doing more, but actually it's about doing less better. Today, I'm showing you 5 AI tools that genuinely help me focus more, plan smarter, and stop wasting time. Not theory, I've used every single one of these in real life. Let's jump in. Number 1. Notion AI. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by scattered notes or endless to-do lists, this is for you. Notion AI is like having an intelligent assistant inside your brain. I use it to clean up messy thoughts, organize weekly goals, and even brainstorm ideas for this channel. Number 2. Reclaim.ai. Meet Reclaim, your smart calendar boss. This tool truly reschedules your day around your priorities. So, instead of chasing your calendar, it adapts to you. I set habits like read 30 minutes a day or deep work 10 a.m. And Reclaim just fits it all in. You are not busy. You are totally focused. Number 3. ChatGPT. You are using ChatGPT, right? But are you using it like this? Here's what I do. Every Sunday, I ask it, act as a productivity coach. Help me plan my week. It gives me a clean breakdown, priorities, and even task estimates. I use it for journaling, self-reflection, and planning. Not just for asking random stuff. ChatGPT, it's not only a chatbot. It's an expert thought partner. Number 4. Motion. If planning your day feels like a boring stuff, let Motion do it. You add tasks and it automatically schedules them into your day, depending on urgency and time available. It's like a Google Calendar plus a productivity coach. And no, this isn't sponsored. Number 5. Mindsera. This one is different and kind of brilliant. Mindsera is an AI journaling tool. You write your thoughts and it reflects back ideas, questions, and even mindset traps. It's helped me track my growth over weeks and sometimes tells me things I didn't even realize I was thinking. These tools didn't just make me more productive, they made me more international, and that's the real flex. If any of these felt right to you, try them out and let me know in the comments which one you'll start with. And if you are into actual tech that helps your mind, not just hype, subscribe to MrMindTech. This is just the beginning.